Are you spending hours trying to figure out which ads are actually working? Or struggling to write 10 different versions of an email for 10 different audiences? What if you had a coworker who could do it all in seconds? When we talk about AI in marketing, don't think of robots. Think of a super smart assistant who has read every customer review, seen every click, and analyzed every sale. Its job is to find patterns and tell you exactly what your customers want before they even know it themselves. You see this every day. When Amazon recommends a product that feels perfect for you, or when Instagram shows you an ad for something you were just thinking about, that's AI. It's analyzing your browse history and past purchases to predict what you'll love next. It's the ultimate personalized shopping assistant. But for marketers, the real power is in the data. Tools like Google Analytics now have AI built in. Instead of you spending hours in spreadsheets, the AI automatically analyzes your website traffic and tells you why people are leaving a certain page, or which marketing campaign is bringing in the most valuable customers. It finds the needle in the haystack for you. And now, generative AI is changing the game for creating content. Imagine you need to launch a new product. You can ask an AI tool like Gemini or Jasper to write 20 different ad headlines in seconds. Then, you can ask an AI image generator to create custom visuals for each one. This allows you to test dozens of ideas in the time it used to take to create one. So, what does this actually mean for you as a marketer? First, you save dozens of hours. Repetitive tasks like writing basic copy and analyzing data can be automated. Second, you make smarter decisions. AI gives you clear insights, so you're not just guessing what works. And third, you get better results. By personalizing your message at a massive scale, you can increase engagement and sales. It's like having a data scientist and a creative copywriter on your team 24/7. AI is no longer a futuristic idea. It's a practical tool for modern marketing. What marketing task would you love to hand over to an AI? Let me know in the comments.